video for you about Bitcoin because I messed up yesterday during my live stream. I didn't upload the Bitcoin part. But right now, please check out what I see and what I'm trying to have you understand about the move. Also, I'm sending a lot of love and positive vibes. I know this zone is hard and a lot of people are really struggling. If you are, please, I'm always here to reach out and to hopefully lift your spirits. But please don't give up, guys. Never give up. This is a test. Remember, wag me, guys. Okay, guys. Just because yesterday I didn't get to properly record this, I said I'll just hop on today again real quick and give you an update on Bitcoin. It's actually a pity now the stream didn't record with the sound properly because it was very interesting what we talked about. But just to go back on what I discussed yesterday, just wanted to point out this move for you from December the 4th and that candlestick. You see how harsh this sweep to the lows was. Similar move has happened back in September. You saw a candle that rejected from similar area here and came down. Now they're obviously not the same amount of drop. I'll measure it for you in 2 seconds, guys. But I just want to point out just the characteristics of the move. When it dropped here, crabbed to the lows, spiked up, having us all believe that the bull market is back on, and trapped all the longs again, giving it a sharp move to the lows. Crabbed again and finally bounced. Now, it does definitely ring few bells here when you look at the same. Sharp sweep to the lows, crabbing again a little bit lower, making everybody in December, the end of December, around Christmas time, believe, yeah, we're back to bull. Similar action here, just crabbing to the side, sweeping the lows again and again. Now, I just wanted to have a look here how we went down and how that candle was reclaimed again to this level and lower. So looking at this candle here, it was swept to the same level and a little bit lower. For the foreseeable future, I mean for the next few weeks at least, I think we're not going to see a lot of action here. I am actually expecting to revisit maybe this zone. I'm not great at predicting long-term price actions in 6 months or a year, and I really don't think it's something you should be concentrating on either. I think the psychology of the market and how people concentrate on a specific price really can mess up how you trade. I mean, look how many people have said, oh, Bitcoin's never going to go below 50,000 or never going to go below 40,000 in the last year alone, right? And look, in general, yeah, fine. If you're a Bitcoin maxi, if you're in Bitcoin since whatever 2009 and you're still holding, of course you want Bitcoin to go to 100,000 or 200,000. But I look at Bitcoin only to give me an idea what is going on with the market and how the market is being played and used, right? So just to go back, right, what I want to do, guys, to understand right now is we are trapped in this range, and it is designed to mess with our heads. The reason why I'm talking about the round numbers or being concentrating on the numbers of the price of Bitcoin is because those zones a lot of the time are being exhausted, and when the price drops, it usually drops to psychological levels, 42,000, 40,000, 45,500. I spoke about it the other day as well. Just to put a few indicators on for you to see what's happening. We have had the death cross happen here on the 9th of January. This is still playing out. There's liquidity that can be grabbed below here, 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 and here. And obviously there's liquidity down below, but there's also liquidity up higher. On a side note, remember, Bitcoin, whenever it gets back to the all-time high, there is no liquidity above the all-time high. For anybody to move away from this price, they will have to grab the liquidity from somewhere. But that's only a side note for the future. Don't expect 69k be broken and see 100k as the next thing. Most likely there are going to be sharp drops happening. Not as low as back in below 40,000 whenever we get to 70, 80. But then again, let's wait and see. What I'm just trying to make you aware of is, in order to have more liquidity to push the price higher, the money has to come from somewhere. So right now, this is a psychological level. It's a level it's being exhausted by the whales, by institutions. Retail is getting hammered. People are getting exhausted, losing hope. And I think it was Niamh Sweetsinner on Twitter. She posted to say, it was a funny tweet, but it was actually a very, very good point, that right now people that are left are either very wealthy, very dedicated, or insane. So whichever category you're in, I don't care. But I hope you're still in, and this is a no trade zone for me. I'm have entered few little long-term bags, and I've posted about them. But in terms of picking up any either spot or leverage short-term intraday plays, I'm leaving it out. Unless anything changes, I see some trend picking up, I'll let you know. So this is the the daily outlook for you. I'm going to go down to the lower time frames. Just want to show you the comet and the spaceman again. Comet and the belt. Just wait for it to load. Sometimes it takes a minute to load properly. The belt doesn't want to show us what it's doing. Sorry. We have the belt here. So as you can see, comet is sharply going down. On the daily, we are below the belt as well. I'll go down to the 4 hour for you. Just to show you like a short time plays what's happening. We're hitting off the middle side of the belt, hitting off it and being rejected. We're kind of trapped. Look, 41,000 and 40. That was the highest point recently, was 44,500, let's say. And we're periodically going down, printing in this small area here, printing lower highs and lower lows. So that's your 4 hour, and I'll just go back to my Tino indicator. Again, I will point the fact that it is a free indicator. We're far away from the 800, from the 200. and from the 50. So you look, when you see this key support level and your EMA, it doesn't matter what price point, what time frame it's on, and you're hitting your head, just expect more fuckery, really. Being trapped in that zone a little bit more until something gives, until we break above the 50 or we break below the support. Either or. In between, when this is just hitting its head and just bouncing off that support, just let it go, leave it. Honestly, there's an M formation here. I expect this to continue on in a similar pattern. Where is the drawing? So your M formation here, spike up to the highs, low. It's going to be probably another spike up to the highs, lower. Unless you see a quick move bouncing from the support here and piercing, could be 4 hour or 1 hour, above the 50 EMA and coming back down to it, building support above it and up higher, I wouldn't be looking for any reversals. Right now, if I even see any bounce, it is going to be a short-lived bounce and looking for lower levels to come back to. I hope this was helpful. I wanted to really just give you a quick update. Right now, nothing more to say. Stay away from trading Bitcoin, at least. There are some alts that are moving, but anybody that isn't experienced or feeling a trade, guys, not trading is also trading. Remember that. And please be nice to each other. I know Twitter is a bit of a bubble as well. People affect each other. Moods are being spread. I think it is important to remember about other people and their feelings when you're posting. I mean, I'm all for jokes and I'm all for banter and slagging. It's obviously great fun, but at the same time, just keep it civil and cultured. Be nice to each other, guys. Lots of love. I'm gonna wrap it up and send it out to you as soon as possible.